Dude, I missed that. It was just lagging too much. I couldn't keep it my screen up. I think we're back in action here. Let's see.
Furthermore, Yemen's Ansar says if the siege of Yemen is not lifted, we will not accept negotiations, and such negotiations would be meaningless. So, according to City/YouGov poll, YouGov, 1 year ahead, UK inflation expectations 3.4% in July versus 3.8% in June. And furthermore, from City and YouGov, the 5 to 10 year ahead UK inflation expectations 3.7% in July versus 3.9% in June.
Man, that 5-minute play worked out to T too, man. I missed it. Hopefully you guys got it. I could not get. I guess I'm having internet problems around my entire area. But I restarted everything. During your break, I almost blew an account and came back to take a $300 loss. No, how? Bro, I called this play out to a T, bro. This was a great trade. Easy, right to the 5-minute. You can see that the 5-minute, go to the 5-minute. You can see that the 5-minute candle closed above that 5-minute sweep, and sorry. You can see that that 5-minute candle closed above that 5-minute sweep candle, and we continued up until the 50% of the 1 hour candle. Total profit $1,725. But I missed this half of the part because my damn internet. How did I call this when I was in at the bottom? Around 10:05. I showed it at 50% pullback to open, and it blew right past it. What do you mean? You lost me there. Number lock's not on? What the hell is that? Like an hour ago. No music, don't worry about it. No, man, it's really pissing me off. It says it's going through.
Commander of Iran's Quds Force says the Saudi Arabian government should learn from the US history of reckless and costly behavior and end the siege of Yemen.
Low. Man. Was using the fib retracement using top tick of open minimum to low of the move, 50% of that move. Did you take a short? I'm confused. Because if you go from the top of this to the low, oh, you mean it blew right past that 50%? Gotcha, understood. Okay, the hourly candle, I think this is probably like 61%, but right to VWAP. See what it does now, though. But it came back down, right, in your favor? But you held? Did you hold it? So the problem with those is, like, you gotta hold those a little bit, because they can come and, kind of, like, blast through 50% like it did. If you guys don't mind, just tap that screen. Let's give me, like, 20 likes each. 20 likes each. Help me out. Let's see, hopefully, this TikTok. Hello, hello. Is the music playing over it? It should. Okay. Is it too loud? Okay. Is it too loud? Too loud. I could probably turn it down a little bit if it's too much. Ah, did it really? Triad, damn. There we go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Cowboy. Thank you, Triad. I want to see it sweep 743s or 900s, and then we'll make a decision. Her name is Barry Bull. Wow. This thing is pumping. It's a nice name. What is going on here? Oof. Your favorite name? Mr. Bob. Oh my god. 28-2. Might get up there. I mean, Trump's talking to Israel leader now. I hate when that happens, though. How old? She's 99. I don't know if that's above your age limit. All right, so price on the Nasdaq.
So the Netanyahu-Trump meeting has begun at the White House.
Okay, so it's beginning. They're not going to stream it live. I don't know if they're going to argue or I mean, let's be real, guys. Israel hasn't been working with us. I mean, like, they've been just doing what they want. But we'll see what happens after today's meeting. But this could easily rip up, like you said, Mr. Bob. So the Nasdaq can easily start going up right to above, I think 28,033s if it really wants to. You're gonna have some trouble around the 78% pullback, which is 950s, 948. But I really needed to go
So
above
seeing
this
some weakness in
support
the US
high.
dollar, a little bit of strength in the S&P 500, but a little weakness in
Well,
WTI
like
crude.
resistance,
Not
sorry.
seeing anything right now, but we'll keep looking.
I'll be honest, this was my entry from this morning, but I held. Oh my goodness. Were you cringing? We were trying to like do some little swipes. I had some boo-boos, but the only legit sweep, if I waited, was here. You gangster, bro. That's that 150K account. Staying out of this. I got nothing yet. The move happened for me already. Down. You think down? I don't see down in the 5-minute. 15-minute is. You got 1 minute to close. It looks like it could fall down too, yeah. I don't know. But if it closes above here, right? If it closes in 7 seconds, it could easily come right back down and then rip back up. So it's going to play some games. But we're on that VWAT. Yikes. That looks a little bit bearish. But it's too hard to tell on these, man. You're just on a guessing game.
Oil prices extend declines. Brent falls more than 3%.
It could go back and forth. The down ES,
According to
I'm
the
sure they
Zen,
are.
Iran's
Nasdaq is
IRGC calls on Saudi Arabia to end the Yemen blockade.
depending on like chips right now. And right now they ain't going that good. No, either or, honestly. Let's look at NVIDIA. Wow. What a recovery. I remember this song when I was a young boy. You're long? Yeah, you see how it's kind of looks pretty long actually. But I need to see here. We need a sweep first and then we can judge it. I kind of feel like it's going to chop around a little bit. Because New Bank, you came here and said down looks cool. It could easily rip down. You got 15 minutes to rip up and down. I agree. But it can go in both directions. I would love for it to sweep up a little more, though, if you're going to short. Running through my head, running through my head. Waiting for the Nasdaq to move up. Okay, there it goes. I needed the sweep if we're gonna get a short, but that's even if it does, it can keep going long. Give you more? Give me more. Give me more. All right, there it goes. Sweeps. I'm feeling that 5-minute candle is gonna be huge though. Wow. There you go.
US stocks extend gains, the Dow Jones up 1%.
Give it to me, Daddy. Put it in. Put it in. Oh, I know why it's not playing music. Watch. I know why.
JMIC says data indicates zero tankers in either direction of Hormuz Strait, and that pause in airstrikes saw uptick in Hormuz traffic volume.
Is it playing now?
US crude falls to a session low, trades below $80 a barrel.
Yeah, we're gonna have to see on how it reacts here. Or it's gonna close below it. Is music working now? It should. I was lagging. My internet's bad where I am. Everybody's complaining about it. User 13.
Seeing weakness in WTI crude here, strength in the
Does it
S&P
really,
500.
user? See, I don't know what's going
indicative
on
of any
TikTok.
catalyst.
TikTok's mean. Dude, thing is ripping right now. There you go. I knew what it was. I had the isolation mic on. Oil going down. Nice time to buy a V6. I'm guessing they're having a good conversation. Israel and oh my. Sorry guys, it's not me. It's a connection in my area. Everybody's complaining. I mean, I don't really look at all the inverted fair value gaps unless it's down here, like on the swings. So up here, yeah, I don't play these ones usually. This thing is ripping though. They must be talking good stuff. This is probably insider trading, to be honest with you. I don't have a sister. I was joking. To the moon, to the moon, to the moon.
So the next post, Musk says Grok 4.6 releases around August 7th.
I got a preview of using it. It was really good, that Grok. Not true. See if it wants to go up to this gap up here, 998.
Eurozone bond yield fall. German 2-year yield suddenly drops around
I just
2
don't want to
basis
jump
points,
in.
but last down 4 basis points on the day at 2.74%.
Definitely insider. There's definitely someone in there going like this. They're saying good things in the meeting. They're saying good things in the meeting. All right, let's see. This is a gap. Ripping up, baby. Kind of feel like it wants to like pull back a little bit, but I'm not down for the 80-point candles here. Oh my god, I need to make $89 to get another payout. Oh my god. It's crazy.
US bonds extend rise. The yield fall to 6 basis
Yeah, I
points
kind of feel
across
like it wants to
tenors
go
on
up.
the day.
We just broke
So
above
again,
that
US bonds
area.
extend, yields fall to 4 on the day.
I see it easily going up to
Zelensky
here.
says the meeting with Trump.
Oh, meeting's
The
over.
Nasdaq cuts losses, last down 0.14%.
All right, got out a little bit there. You think it's gonna just keep ripping? 28K just keeps going. I mean, we need the 20. I definitely do think it has potential up there. Look at this 4-hour candle, dude. Insane. If this engulfs, I agree with you, Mr. Bob. I don't want to buy again. Didn't even fucking okay. Lagging. I don't know what it's gonna do up there for like the meantime. I kind of see that happening. I'll probably take out just before then. Gotta bypass this. Wow. Wow. We're gonna take that 4-hour high. Probably gonna jump around. Ricardo. Up, wait. Stop asking these questions. Ooh. I'm gonna go off camera for a second. Scares me like 10 years later. What am I supposed to eat with? Worry about it. Okay. Just came for the music. No, cowboy. Knock it off. I still think it continues up. But that was a huge level, 28K. You're right. I should have seen that a little bit. I still think it goes up, though. No. I think it goes up. What do you guys think? I
The
think it goes
S&P
up.
500 up 0.3%.
Oh, damn. I got grilled cheese. Sweet, baby. All right. We need this to bounce up, bro. Are you looking for STH right now? I missed that pump, but I don't know why I shouldn't went in. What's STH? See if we got a bounce here. Yeah, I agree. Feel like they need to take him out, Bariwa. Yeah, I don't know what STH is. Mr. Yogurt.
Daddy? Is that you? Welcome to the show, Daddy.
If we were too long, this would be it. Put my second one in. I should retest it. Bariwa did reach today's 24th POC. Come on. They might need to retrace, dude. That was a huge fucking pump, dude. It was huge. Damn, come on. 1, 2. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth candle. We also had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 green candles before. Not yet, guys. Not yet. No matter what, we probably need to go up into this order block. Go up. Dad, you missed a wild pump. Yeah, we got a lot of gaps. I agree, Mr. Bob. You need to go down. We need to go up a little bit. Good thing I didn't run the. No, I had a smooth in, bro. Look at my run before. I called the bottom. I'm seeing it just wants to pump up. I think it wants to pump up one more time. I can feel it too. You know, when you start trading a long time, you could feel things too, and I completely get what you're saying there. I wanted to retest the high too, Triad. Antonio! I had the camera off for a second. There we go. Let's get out one. I needed $89 to have a $2,500 payout. You think I got it? Be careful here, though, okay? Actually, I'm going to take it out. I'd rather just wait. What's e-tracement? Oh, retracement. Probably. I want to see how it reacts here first, guys, and then we can re-enter.
Oil futures extend losses. Brent down by $4 a barrel on hopes for US-Iran conflict easing.
This is an order block. All right, I'm going to short one. Starting with one short. Now, I kind of wanted to sweep up, but thinking here early in the day. Yeah, I feel like it needs to sweep up, though. Guys, if I have any lag, it's not me, it's my internet. If I have any lag, guys, it's my internet. Yeah, it could sweep right through, Bob. But we're going to see here. We're going to see. We got one starter. Yeah, that's looking a little bullish. But let's see. All right, there's that sweep. Got 40 seconds left. It's my internet. Right now, Trump just had a meeting with Israel, so it's ripping. I know. I just could be a false breakout. I don't know. Sometimes we have a feelings operating and we do the opposite. Yeah, no, I'm still waiting. I'm telling you right now, we're gonna have a huge fucking short here in about a second. If this now I was asking if you're looking into something. I'm gonna see if the sweep candle what happens here. Look at this. All right, so my stop. I can't do a stop yet. I'm telling you right now, guys, big short if this falls. Sorry for the internet connection. Definitely, bro. Oh, man. It ripped back up, guys. Is it going to hold? Got 4 seconds. All right. Be careful. I'm actually going to close this if it goes up. I don't... I'm torn. I'm torn. I'm torn right now. Ah, this looks bullish at the same fucking time. You see how I don't want to chase it, but it's going up. I'm all over the place here. Be careful. Close below this yellow line, though. It's falling. But you see that rejection? See how it rejected? Damn, it's rejecting the top side, too, though. Bob, you feeling it, huh? No, I'm thinking it's more long, dude. It wanted to fall. It got rejected. Crazy, that support line. Let's get this 4-hour high, then. Come on! But, again, guys, if it closes below this, I'm going in short, heavy. This is going to start playing games. Just moon it. I hate when it does this, though. All right, moon it, moon it, moon it. Clear rejection. Let's go. Go up. Yeah, it's going to be huge new banks when it does. All right. Damn. Come on. It's still rejecting here, so we're Gucci. What are you going to do? 29 seconds. I feel like it's going to rip back up again. Look at that. It's soul collecting. It's going to rip back up. You still think up, Bob? Probably do a fuck you, though, right? All right, close below, guys. Close below. I'm shorting. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. This is my style here. Oh, shit. I don't want that far of a stop loss. If it breaks above here, then it's going to rip up. But for now, I might be playing games. Do like a two out here. And then we'll do one out at the 50. That's even if it does. Like, this thing looks crazy. So just be careful. I just swap back and forth. But this is my style. All right. This is my trading style. I'm in 3 right now. I kind of wanted to go 4, but I'm gonna eat at the same time here. So I can't touch my keyboard anyway. Oh, these are micros, new banks. I only use micros. What are you talking about, Mr. Bob? Did I miss something?
Daddy, chill.
Oh my god. This is messing with me, yo. Holy shit. All right, I'm out. It's going up. Ah. All right, I got a one wrong there. Fucker. I kind of gave a lot of money back in the last 2 minutes, 5 minutes. I probably got to chill after this. I'm going to go 4 long this time, but I got to keep it tight. Just to get some of this, because I think it's going to pop up now. There you go, Mr. Bob. All right, I got one wrong in that style. But once it's wrong, it usually blasts up, so that's cool too. Get some of this money back. Come on. Higher, 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 higher. Take the 4. Blast through. I mean, technically, we're about the 28. We should go to, like, up here more, right? This thing said F you. No, we're not. Antonio, thank you for the share. I appreciate you. Trumpy V for sure. Ooh, Soul Collector. I'm gonna start taking some out. Got some of it back. I definitely lost a little there going back and forth. This is great. What was said in that meeting, dude? So that's what usually happens. Nice, Mr. Bob. Yeah, very strong. Very strong. Wish I held my first long, but I got to stick to my strategy. And this is kind of a strategy too. Like once it's wrong, it usually blasts up. Okay. Close below this. We're going back down. Well, in theory. I'm going to have one left. Super strong. Definitely played with my heart for a minute. 250? Yeah, that thing's fucking moving, bro. There's so many fucking levels. This is hilarious. Look at it on the daily, though. Holy shit. Look at that fucking wick. Insane. I mean, if this broke the high at like 212s, then we're going to be really bullish for a minute. I'm down 234 on the day. Don't know if I should chase or just let it go. Try it. Just wait for your actual setup, right? Wait for your setup. You gotta wait for your setup and then just trade normal. But if you're not reading the market, then try to sit out. I mean, this thing is kind of just saying F you, it's going up. It looks like it wants to keep going, man, really bad.
So according to Israel's Channel 12 News, during the meeting between Netanyahu and Trump, a large team of presidential staff members were present. Vice President Vance, Secretary of State Rubio, Secretary of Defense Hagel, CIA Director Ratcliffe, and President Envoy Witkoff. Excuse me, Secretary of Defense Hegseth.
There you go, Mr. Dad. I'll probably aim for this then. I'm comfortable with that. Yes, Triad. I was just going to say that. Many staff members were... They must have been fucking tweeting or messaging their friends. Yo, long, this is going great. Cowboy, can I sit on your lap? Sure. The problem with this is the candles are so huge, you know? You got 10 minutes left. Like, this can rip down, get me out, and then fucking moon back up, dude. I think that's what's going to happen. Let's see if we get a bounce. Mother shit. Now, if it closes below, it's a short. Let's see what happens. All right. All right, guys. This is a short. Let's see if it pulls back up a little. I don't want to go in too fucking hard, though. TP is 992s. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Sticking to it. And it's not that big of a pullback for you guys. Some of you guys can hold this pretty easily. I want to do 1. I want to do 4, but... Alright, we're in 4. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Sticking to it, mother effers. Clear as day, fall below. We should come down to 992s. At least. And then that's still nothing for you people that are holding long. All right. Let's do this. Let's do it. I think we'd easily get down there, but look at the 5-minute. Look how much like we're up. I hope it doesn't play games again, dude. If it is, then we need to stop shorting completely, and that's it. Yogurt. Yeah, this is gonna. It's a little difficult, but this is the area. This is the second time, you know. Yeah, shorting a. You're saying that's wrong, Mr. Bob? Could be way wrong. Oh my God, that's twice, guys. Huge loser there. Come on, hold this order block. If it's wait, you guys can hear me? Okay, order block's holding. Could be wrong. I could be wrong though. This is a great rejection though. Really is. Right to the order block. Really needs to close below faster. Come on. Start dumping. It's also the 4 hour. Where's the 1 hour though? The 1 hour still hasn't been formed. It's in 5 minutes. Let's get this drop down to the ground. There you go. Another OB. Short it now. Come on,
Brent oil
fall.
falls more than 5%, trades below $84 a barrel.
With the anchor. Come on! Last summer, we'd be shorting this all the way to 900s. Can't trust it anymore. Dude, it won't go down. So it might be too bullish. I mean, it's definitely getting weak, right? It's definitely getting weak. But it just keeps stair-stepping. Make that decision and drop already. Hourly's about to start too. Come on! It keeps getting strength. Yeah, it keeps holding it, Mr. Bob. I see. Shit's crazy. Keeps holding. This is gonna go up. Ah! Did I just close it? Fucking one whatever penny away. I closed it early. Did it break it? Okay, it did break it. Get back a lot of money there. I mean, if it breaks it, usually say it's gonna go up. I'll have to walk away after this for a bit though, cause get back 1,800 if I lose this. Gotta do 2 more though. We broke. We should continue. I think my trading was affected because I know I have a F ton of work to do. Yikes. Like in real life. Alright, new hourly. No, don't mess up my music. Damn it. Did it mess it up? Why are you doing this? Fuck me all up again, dude. This happened to me yesterday. Music started playing, it messed me all up. Trading does not care about your job. True that. No music? Yeah, just stopped. For real though, I was brushing, just wanted to pass. Yeah, dude, you can't do that. I can hear him. Look at Stagman at the M5. It's very choppy. Yes, very. Get some of his back though. If we get some of his back, happy. It's just too bullish right now, guys. I lost 2, right? Too bullish. Should easily pop up. This is the hourly, so we gotta be careful. We got 4 minutes. Can't hear. Tell me if this works. You can't hear the music though if I do that. Can you hear me now? Oh. So can I put the music back on? Can you hear if I put the music on? Come on, dude. Give me a break. One of these is gonna fall eventually. Gotta be careful. I can't believe I went from 1800 to this. All in the last like 30 minutes. Sizing too high. The candles are too big. Come on. Crypto and flight booking, huh? Yes, this is like a good trading song in my opinion. It makes me focus. I feel like this is the 5 too. We got to be careful. I think the issue is you get in low, but out on the push up and short and goes up. That's just for right now. I think I'm pretty good. The other times, just right now, I've been having an issue with that. There it goes. Okay. That has a gap though, so we got to be careful. There it goes. There it goes. Come on! I gotta take some of this out. I think it's too much for me. It might go up, but I don't want to be silly, you know? Pop! Help me! Dude, huge denial there. Be careful. This thing is bananas. Anybody else tripping balls? Like, what is it gonna... That's huge candles. 30-point swings. So if you guys are just tuning in, I did have 2 losers on the sweep. The strength is too strong in this. Too strong. It just keeps sweeping and then ripping up. So he must have said bye, or the meeting with Israel was really big. Oh my god. Eventually this is gonna crack. Do we do it again? Do we do it again? This is the 5 out. This is the 5-min. 5-min. This is the hourly one. I need to reject this or it's doomed. Damn. I literally had $80 more to get a $2,500 payout. Let's see what happens. This isn't good. I'm gonna get stopped out. How the fuck do you fuck that up? All right, 5 minute is in 2 minutes. I'm gonna wait for the pullback. Well, last time didn't even pull back, guys. So clearly below. Easily can go. Wow. 914s. Problem is you can't get in too high on this or else it's gonna hurt. So we might have to only get in one, dude. All right, we got 1 minute left. This needs to rip up all the way past 33 right now. Took a long. Does look fucking long, huh? No, I'm not. Gotta stick to my strategy. "29 seconds. I'm gonna do a starter short. Starting short. 925. This can easily come back up to 57s, and then I would short it again more. You really want to wait for like a slight pullback, but it didn't pull back last time. Come on. We are at the 5-minute cloud. I don't know why my trade day closes so much different than my other ones. All right, close above the 1M. Ah, we're back and forth here. Should hit 50%. And then I'm still looking at the 1 hour. The 5. Now, if it starts breaking below 2809, well, more like 2804, it's probably going to start really falling, so be careful. I'm going to add into it if it breaks, because that means the 15-minute sweep is wrong, and the 5-minute is the bigger one. If it pulls back up to the 50, then I'm going to add up into here for the short. Regardless, I'm prepared for this to short, I think. Okay, so more like a failure here. If this comes down, I think we're Gucci. And this is probably what we normally wanted before. All right, I'm in my 4. So do you see what I did there? Like that 1 minute swing, that sweep, should have went to the 50. And remember what I keep saying, every time that it fails those 15 minutes, they usually get stronger in the opposite way. So the 5-minute play, I think, is the way to go. Big stop loss though, so please make sure you guys correctly. No, that's my indicator. Yeah, I'm lagging. It's not me, sorry. It's my connection. I think it's my whole entire area. What the hell is this? Now, if this starts ripping back up, then just too strong. It's just too much noise. Gotta walk away. But Daddy's pretty confident. Thank you, Budget Daddy. If you're interested in it, that's the only thing that I charge for is because it's my own work. Go to my free Discord. And then go to VIP sections, a 30-day free trial. After that, it is $1 a day, 30 for the month. If it rips up, I'm gonna go for a walk. Me too, yogurt. I think we're good though. Like it failed the 15. That 28K, once it starts breaking, it should rip though. You thinking up? Could. But I think now we got a new 15. Top. You're long 960. 2 micros. Sorry guys, you're gonna keep getting the lag. The area that I'm in. Everybody's having issues. Playing games. I'm not really worried though. The way that it like ripped up and then started falling means to me that the 5 is kind of in control here. Come on. Even if I'm wrong, I still feel like it struggled in the area. We picked a good spot. But I have confidence it's gonna fall. I also have confidence in the other ones too that failed, but this looks like the bigger time frame is playing out. Man, this is twice it's doing this. It's too this is hard. 0.70? I don't think so. That's where my stop is. I feel like it's gonna be a lot. It's gonna hurt. 1 hour order block. We're at the 50% now. Let's see if it rejects. Very good. 50%. This is where I wanted to get my extra fill for the short, but the candles are huge. I don't want to go more than 4. I'll regret it if I'm wrong. Obviously,
Euro futures extending losses. Brent now down by $5 a barrel on hopes for US-Iran conflict easing.
I would love for it to, be right. But if I'm wrong, it's going to hurt. Okay, so you see this gap here? That's fair value gap on the video. I bet if I long this, it would dump in 2 seconds, but I'm in a short, and they know. Yogurt, this is your fault. This is your fault, Yogurt. Nah, we got this. We deserve this win. We deserve this win. Do you trade intra 5-minute or whenever? I usually use the 1-minute and 5-minute time frame. I'm in a short right now. But the market's been ripping up, so it could be either or, but I'm going to stick with my strategy, and it's telling me to short. Telling me to show. My first entry was here at 34, but I added into it, so it's down more. Go, baby. Short in 2. What made you short? All we need is Iran to do one little missile. Just one little missile, this whole thing will be fucked up. To the ground. This can go way lower too, by the way, like 837s. But we'll have to play that out. I don't want to be greedy either. See. Okay, so this is the 15M. So this is the 4-hour play, but you would have to. It takes a while for that one, you know. So we have potential to go really far down. When's the new 4-hour? Is that at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock? I can't remember. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or it already happened. I forgot. Enter the 4-hour fair value gap, then clean break of structure on the 1 minute. Nice. Can you guys see with this thing here? Make it so it's like behind the scenes.
White House says meetings with Zelensky and Netanyahu were positive.
Oh. I already know that though. I'm on my first funded and I'm trying to get my first payout at 250 and I'm up 150. Very nice, Josh.
That's White
Nice
House
and
press
steady and
secretary
slow,
letter,
bro.
currently speaking. Not clear where she's speaking at the moment. Okay, so Liver posts on Trump's meeting with Netanyahu and Zelensky on X. She didn't say anything else though. That's it.
Hold on, I gotta listen to this. That's it, just positive.
Nothing from the Israeli media either. They're just saying that the meeting has ended between Netanyahu and Trump.
Make sure you guys hit that follow button. If you're not following, hit that follow button. Gotta show the engagement so the TikTok works, you know what I mean?
Iran's Deputy Foreign Minister Garibabadi says any European ship that wants to come close to Strait of Hormuz is a legitimate target for us.
There you go. I needed it. Come on. It ain't gonna work out well. They're not willing to work with us. Am I closing in 1 hour? No, I'm gonna try to hold it all the way down. Start crumbling, baby. What are they doing? What are they waiting for? Kind of bullish again. Short term, at least.
So this is
Ball,
giving
baby.
reports that Netanyahu just departed the West Wing at 12:26 following his meeting that lasted over an hour.
Tuesday. Tuesday. How do we make Tuesday sound like money? Very dumpish. You could feel it. This one you could feel. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get day. Wish it was Friday. Every day's Friday for me, baby. You know what's sad? I don't know if I'm getting older, but I look forward to the weekdays because of trading. Do you guys feel the same way? Okay, get a sweep candle. So just to go over this, the 15-minute candle, the low, the 1-minute swipe, right? It closed above. It actually did hit the 50%, but that was the second time. So it should have told you that it was already weak. And the 1 hour was much larger. The 5-minute sweep is what closed below it. And the higher the time frame, the stronger it is. So once that 1 minute failed, along with the 5-minute being successful, I think that's what's going on here. So Yoga says, yes, I'm addicted. Remember, my one, we have potential to go 838s.
Seeing shares of Boeing up 5.5% after Q2 results. So also just still looking through these Rady newspapers, they're not really adding anything new about the meeting between Netanyahu or Trump. They're just
NVIDIA looks
regurgitating what White House Press Secretary
bearish.
Levitt has already said, that the meeting with Zelensky and Netanyahu were positive.
– 15-minute is at 950, so even if it pops up, I'm okay. I think, if you guys want to take some out at 950, that's perfectly fine. And then we'll hold, I'm cool with that too. See if it swipes below it. Even though I should stick to my strategy, I'll stick to it. How do I make it go across? Oh, I broke my toe, by the way. Icing it. Ah! What are you doing this to me for? Here's the 1 minute sweep. So if it starts rejecting there, perfect. There we go, rejection. Follow through, hopefully, all the way down. I really think we should get to 920s at least. I don't know why. Should be no problem. I should keep my strategy, honestly. I just want to take 2 out, though, at 946. I don't know why I can't put... Oh, there it goes. While we wait, can you guys give me 10 likes each? Tap that screen, baby. Tap that screen. 10 likes each. 10 likes each. You know what? Get froggy. Share it with yourself. I always say share it with yourself because I hate people that like... No, not like if you guys shared it, but like if I tell you guys share it to everybody. Unless you want to. But if you share it to yourself, I think it like maybe it bypasses the system. Come on, let's get a drop. Man, that looks so bearish. I can't believe it's even holding up a little bit.
Garibabadi says we have not had any requests for negotiations with the US in the past 15 days.
We're lying. Is that what it is? We're lying? Could be. You know, remember, guys, we're just puppets, right? All the things that they're telling us, they could be absolutely lying to Iran the entire time. Iran just came out and said that we haven't heard anything in 15 days. Iran could actually be the ones not even targeting anybody, and we're just putting fake news out there. Everything's about money. Nothing's about life. It's about money. They don't care. Power. Power.
Also, Garibabadi says that the US sent a message through Oman stating that they will not take any military action against us.
Okay, was that bullish? Can't cipher sometimes. 1 second's bad, 1 second's good. Once it drops this, it should start cracking. What's up, cowboy? Crazy. Ah! U.S. sent message through Oman stating they will not take any military action against us.
Garibabadi adds that the Omanis wanted to bring a nation to clear mines from the southern part of the Strait of Hormuz, but we didn't allow it.
I'm okay, cowboy. It just got a little froggy at the end. Got a little froggy. Get it back. The problem was that the candles were huge, right? And I had 2 failed in a row, and then I kind of like would go long, and then it ended up ripping down. And I'm like, what the fuck, dude? So usually when this happens, the best thing to do is just, well, this is fine, but I'm saying like if this is wrong again, then I'm gonna stay out. I'm done for at least till power hour, because they're obviously just playing games over and over again. And then this will be the first red day in like quite a while. What's crazy is I was up 1,000 here. News is just too much, guys. It's the news. I mean, we're still good with this trade, but it's crazy. Gotta just let it play out. Yogurt, did you long it yet? So it could fall. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. I'm just saying I don't want to trade during this mess though, so I'll walk away and I'll come back. Problem was I was up 1,800. I had a few bad ones, but the candles were massive, dude, massive. Should have sized a little smaller. Okay, walk away, survive another day. Oh, now it's gonna fall down, Yogurt. The news is just ripping back and forth. If we can get a OB here, break to the downside, we could be good again. Too rich. It's respectable OB 5-minute. This is another short for me though, right here. It's alright. We got this. It's gonna fall. Here's a big FU candle to the downside. You know why? Because Yogurt went long. Price action got a little shaky, Bariwa. But US sent the message that they're not gonna attack. You know what's bullshit is that Iran just said they haven't had any news in 15 days, and then the next 2 minutes later, it says we received the message that they won't attack. Like, what the F, bro? This is manipulation, like, to the next level. And it's holding. World, hold on. Get a 15-minute sweep and then a rock down, baby. Let's go. 47s.
Iran says it hasn't sought US talks in the past 16 to 17 days. That's from IRIB. So we had a headline earlier on
Dude,
from
come
Iran's
on.
Deputy Foreign Minister Karababadi said not received requests for negotiations with the US in the past 15 days. This says past 16 to 17 days.
I'm so confused. Are they translating this backwards? What do you see? So he just came
Said
up
bids
more
for
bad
7
news.
notes total $4.9 billion.
That's some big earnings today too. Visa, Ford. I think they're going to be good though. Ford at least. In the video. Video kind of died again.
Contaxios, NVIDIA CEO, meets with Ludnick amid China's scrutiny.
Okay, NVIDIA meeting. Come on! There it goes. Yeah, he already said he was done talking. So I'm saying, Mr. Bastard, like, what's the deal? Like, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Is a $700 candle too much to ask? I want 1,000. Divergence to the bottom, I hope. Like, it's gonna be bearish. The thing that sucks is that what if a new hour opens and it just wants to swipe that real quick and then fall? I'll be so pissed off, dude. But I don't do that. I always go with the candle I'm on. This is bullshit.
Channel 12 News reporting on the meeting now between Trump and Netanyahu. They say the meeting was very good, very positive, to discuss all areas of concern, with Iran being the primary focus, and reaffirmed their shared commitment to prevent them from acquiring nuclear weapons.
Let's see what you showed me, Bariwa. Pressing short. We need a 15 candle down, bro. I need to be right. The last hour has been insane. 2 hours, sorry. I'm in a short. I know it's a lot bunched up. It's because price action has been choppy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this market got really hard. Dude, we owned it for a while, and then it just spit us out. My problem is I sized too high on these two here. I was very confident. But we're still in this trade. If it does rip back up, I'm gonna walk away for come back at 3. Just like that. Just like that. All right, I'm out. Just like that, up 1,000. I've literally gave back 1,800 and down 1,800, so I'm gonna walk away. Down like
At the
500,
top of the hour,
600 each
with the
one.
US 70 note
You know
auction
what's
with
crazy
high
too?
yield
I
of
needed
4.26%.
89
Private
fucking
cover
dollars.
3.5 with the US looking for
89
$4
fucking
€70.
dollars I needed for a $2,500
According
payout.
to JP Morgan strategist then is as a preview in late Monday note said that despite the higher level outright yields, we expect tomorrow's auction to require more of a concession in order to be digested smoothly. Given a less supportive macro environment, fair valuations and mixed positive technicals. Primary dealers' positions
3
in
wrong,
the
bro.
6 to 7 year sector was net long $33.8 billion in the weekend of July 15th versus $31.1 billion average
I feel like it's gonna
over the
pick up
past
again
year.
as soon as I get off.
Also, latest CFTC positioning data shows speculators were net short 888,000 10-year note futures, a
No, I didn't long this. I was
potential
shorting it.
source of current demand for the auction.
Fucking crazy, dude. No, I don't want a long right now. Every time I do this, it's been cracking on me, dude. It's gonna go up, and then it's gonna fall down, go up. I can't size into it. I mean, if it starts breaking here, then maybe I'll short it. But then I'm only gonna do 2, and then I'm gonna take it out quick.
Turkey's President Erdogan says Iraqi Prime Minister says they can provide 1 million barrels of oil to Turkey. Nasdaq 100 turning positive now, last up 0.2%.
It's not. I'm not gonna take this. Even though it's got huge rejections. This is a gap. You know, the next candle's a little bullish. I'm not gonna take it. I keep going back and forth. I don't care. I'm not gonna take it. Yeah, you gotta trust yourself.
S&P 500 extending gains to session high now, 0.5%.
The news is just too strong. We were up $1,000 and missed us by what? Guess we still had 40 points to go. Yeah, look at this thing. Hey, at least you're green, brother. He's fighting it though, right? Alright, we got a new hourly soon. I'll wait and see what that happens. If nothing happens, then I'm gonna get off for a bit. And we're gonna have to chip away at this again to the downside.
About 4 minutes ago
Okay.
now to get the US 70 note auction. Prior high yield of 4.26%, prior bid cover of 2.5.
Okay, 3 minutes. 3 minutes left. Dude, how good did this look? I was very fucking confident in this. It just didn't hold, guys. It just didn't hold. Do we long these? Because you know it's going to pop back up. Or am I being silly? Everybody else thinks it's going to pop up too. There it goes. Got some real shit luck, dude. Just trying to chip away at it. Pulled back on me already. But, you know, the new 15 starts. I think it needs to rip up and take out the top again.
Less
There's
than a
the
minute to go
OP.
now to get the one issued.
Okay, got 1 minute left. $30. I do need it to take
Daddy?
out the top to show
Daddy,
you.
is that you? Is that you? Come on, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
$10 to the one issued.
Oh, it was a high yield too. Shoot. Come on. All right, new one's out.
4.471%, 4.471%.
Dude, come on. You gotta be fucking kidding me here. There it goes. Come on, rip up. Can you just take out the high again? Fastest gap. We good.
Surely expecting the rest of the data now for the 70 node auction.
We didn't get it all? Come on. That's how it's been like all day. Then it'll finally drop and then rip.
4.473%. Bid to cover 2.49. He was selling $44 billion 70 notes and awarding 95.17% bids at high. Primary dealers take 12.97%, direct 16.88%, indirect 70.15%.
Can't get a fucking break, guys. Can't get a break. I gotta log off after this.
That's a tail of 0.2 basis points.
Oh, this is so frustrating, dude. This is why I stick to your fucking strategy. I just bought the dip because that's all it just keeps doing. Hopefully this is it in the stair step. I feel like I should add more, but if it cracks that, it's gonna be fucking kabooey, you know? Okay, clear rejection of it. 30 seconds left. Kabowie.
Iran says the US naval blockade
supposed to be
cannot
an
force
easy
country
scalp,
to
dude.
negotiate.
This actually frustrates the shit out of me right now. I haven't had any stress for like 2 weeks. Today stressed me out the last 2 hours. You can close this. It's already been broken. This has been broken. Dude, no fucking way. You know, I just picked that like that. Yeah, I'm getting collected for sure. I'm being stupid. This is clearly fucking broken, dude. As soon as I close, it's gonna fucking rip up. I said I'm gonna gut off. Look what happens. Another $400 loser, bro. If I can get this back, I think I'm gonna get off for a bit, though. Honestly. Because I have way too much money in my accounts to be tilting.
The Saudis say Iraq must prevent attacks from its territories. So it's according to SPA.
Come on. Fucking some kind of bounce. Where's the 5? We're right back in it. We get a bounce, bro. If I were to pick a spot, that has to be it. And then I'm done. Gonna move! I can change. Come on, come on, come on. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles red. Let's go. Very good. Bounce up. Gonna be bullish here. So it's a good pullback. 78% pullback in the 15-minute area. It should at least come up a little bit. We're also on the 5-minute time frame. Budget Daddy, I hope you're right. Bet your ass if we added to the previous short, it would have shooted up. Yeah. I'm just trying to size correctly, but this one was a silly trade. I don't know if you noticed, but like if I stuck to my strategy here, I've only would have been down a couple $100. When I started saying, "Oh, this is just gonna keep going," that's when I messed
The
up.
Yemen Houthi says they launched an attack on Saudi vessel with ballistic missiles.
Come on. I hope I didn't hear that right.
So
Wait,
furthermore,
Saudi
the Yemen
Arabia is
Houthi
good.
says armed
That's
forces
good.
affirm their continuation is implementing the maritime blockade decision against the Saudi enemy within the equation of siege by siege and comprehensive
It means they're gonna
escalation
stand with us
by
and fight.
comprehensive escalation.
I don't know. Just launch up and get me out. Dude, come on. Give me a fucking break here. Gonna sweep now. Too late now. Now I wanted to go down just so my fucking strategy works. But this is too much. This is too fucking much. Fuck. This pisses me off. If I walk away now, I'll lose 1,000 each count almost, so a little bit more on the one. Okay, this is the sweep candle. Fuck, dude. And guess what? Like, this would have played out. We would have been up a fucking $1,000 already.
Israel Prime Minister spokesperson says Israel supports whatever path Trump chooses.
I'm panicking, guys. I'm not fucking panicking,
And
but I'm a little
Netanyahu spokesperson
upset
says
because
US and
I have
Israel are
thousands of
fully aligned
dollars
on
ready to
Iran.
fucking cash out. I'm being an idiot. Just to watch the fucking whole thing play out, dude. This is the bounce, isn't it? I gotta hold it a little longer. I gotta see.
Iran's Deputy Foreign Minister Gabadi says Tehran proposed to Muscat that Iran manage one-way shipping transit through the side of the Strait of Hormuz and Oman manage the opposite direction.
We can get a fucking bounce here. I'm going in hard. Especially if it goes over this, our strategy. It needs to close above this, though.
And again, just saying again, Houthi says they targeted Saudi oil tanker for violating the blockade.
Alright, that means they're on our side. Let's go up. Okay, that's good by Israel spokesperson. Israel supports whether path Trump chooses. That's bullish!
According to the Israel spokesperson, Turkey F-35 is not discussed in Trump's Netanyahu meeting.
Close above this, go to 50s. I am going to close it, though, when it hits it. And then if it closes above it, then I'll get back in. Because we're not going to play games. If it closes above, then we'll get back in. Fuck. Makes me so angry. See? I'm glad I closed it. Really fucked up today, guys. I don't know how I turned this random ass fucking long into a short like that. Stop going away from your strategy. I'm beating myself up. Sorry, guys. It doesn't make sense to me. Watch it fucking go to my normal spot, too. Just because of the news. Played around. Played games, bro.
Iran says they won't recognize the Strait of Hormuz route if Oman rejects our terms. So again, Iran says they
Okay,
won't
in
recognize
30
the southern
seconds, a new
Hormuz
15 is
route
gonna
if
start.
Oman rejects our terms.
Dude, I'm so sick of this news. I'm so sick of this news. I never seen one person say, "Who's telling the truth? Who's telling the truth?" Okay, we got another 15 here. Should sweep down, especially with that rejection. Damn, I'm so mad. That was a loss I should have never even had. That's why I'm upset. You just gotta stick to your strategy. Stick to your strategy, you'll be fine. I won't like if it goes back up here. It needs to sweep back down for a new one. See, the price move is really trash. I feel like the entire world doesn't know what's going on. Sellers are weak. Yeah. It keeps going down and then it'll rip up and then confused. I do need it to come down a little more if I want to long this. And then we'll see if it closes above the sweep. Come on. Swipe down. Did the same shit over here though, and it freaking cracked down. Gotta just wait. Wait for the sweep. 78% pullback right now. $9.50 area. That was the 4-hour 15. If it starts breaking below that and closes on the 15-minute, it's gonna crack down. This is what we originally thought. Down to 839s. I don't know. This is just getting silly now, though. But it could be the 5-hour play too. I mean, the 1-hour play too, if it cracks in 50s. Damn, I can't believe I messed that up. So mad. I'm literally so mad at myself. Especially this move. Like, I was okay with the other one. I was okay walking away here. This pissed me off. That was crazy. It was $900 in like seconds. And it was just on a pullback bounce. Like, that's all I did. Everybody's leaving me. Sorry. Fuck you. I'm telling you, bro, I cannot get it. This is crazy. Can you imagine I held that whole thing and didn't close right here? This is where I closed, by the way. I closed right here. Oh, man. No news either. You are behind the markets. That's how I feel right now.
NVIDIA CEO Huang urges support for open-weight AI models, with Huang calling open-weight models crucial for AI safety and security. So currently commenting to reporters during a visit to the US Senate offices.
I'm so annoyed. Ooh. Ariwa. Too scared to take anything. Man. This is my calendar for July. Bad move there. I think I need to get off, and then I'll come back on for Power Hour. Because we still have, you know, $1,000 left in those accounts. I don't want to lose them. We need the, I really want a $12 payout this for 7 days. But I already got the 4,000, but the ball drain right now. I want to go slow. We're not making money in this. This is gonna rip us apart, dude, even more. So, like, I wanted the long list, and now it's starting to drop. If we just waited to the sweep, we would be okay. Maybe I'll trade for my phone here and there when it pops up. But in that, I will be on no matter what at 3 p.m. I will let you guys know in Discord when I'm on. Other than that,
Holy brothers, all doses.
Daddy, chill.
one bad day, Ada, whatever. It's gonna happen. I should have controlled it a little better, though. But I'll talk to you guys later.